Hello, from Rochester, New York, to our colleagues in New Zealand and Australia. I'm Tony Pisani, a psychologist and family therapist with a focus on suicide prevention.
I'm Christina Mossgraber. I'm an advocate for youth and adults who struggle with suicide concerns. I'm a suicide attempt survivor myself, and I bring a patient's perspective to all of SafeSide's programs.
Christina and I are here in studio today. We just finished filming some new learning programs, and we thought we'd record a quick hello to you and let you know how much we're looking forward to seeing you when we travel to New Zealand and Australia in the first 2 weeks of April 2019.
Tony and I will co-lead workshops and consultations built around our framework for recovery-oriented suicide safer care. We teach the core concepts together, each sharing from our own perspective, and show demonstration videos to illustrate skills and attitudes that reflect the framework.
Part of the workshop day will be a deep dive into prevention-oriented risk formulation. This is a way of thinking about suicide risk that encourages a shift from prediction to planning.
We're interested in hearing from you ahead of our visit. As part of the registration process, you have the opportunity to tell us specific experiences or ask questions you're hoping we'll cover. We'll read each one of those as we prepare.
And we're looking forward to learning from you when we meet. If you can join one of our workshops, please bring your experiences, examples, and questions so that we can look together at our frameworks and how they apply in different settings and cultures. If you can't attend, we'd still like to hear from you. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave comments, or contact us through our website.
We'll see you soon.